Good morning. Do you know how I get inspired in making this video with this Luxxe product right here? This one is the Luxxe White Enhanced Glutathione. It is Enhanced Glutathione. Why this one is the Luxxe Renew, that renews your whole body. If your body has been damaged from whatever, it will renew it for you. Why this one is the Luxxe Protect. My baby. This is my baby right here. This is my baby. I get inspired when I wake up, like right now that I woke up. I've been awake for like half an hour ago. Yeah. I feel good when I wake up and I'm like, wow. I go to the mirror and I just look beautiful. Waking up, I look beautiful because these three products right here, they're all about health, wellness, and beauty. Yes, health, wellness, and beauty. That's what our products are about. So, about the health, I feel great. I feel good. About the beauty, you can see it already. I just wake up to glow. I wake up to shine. I can just wash my face and put on a clothes and go do a quick delivery to somebody now. I don't need to take a shower and do makeup. No, So about the wellness, I feel great. I feel great. My health is wow. So yes, see, look at all my skin tone. They are even. My face, my neck, my shoulder, every part of my body, So I can just imagine. That's why my husband kisses me every morning before he leaves for work. Because I know when he just look at me sleeping, I'm like a sleeping beauty. It pays. It pays to trust a product. It pays. I've trusted this product for 5 months now. 5 months. Because that's when, in fact, I've been taking this for 5 months now. So I can boldly and proudly say it is wow. I can boldly and proudly say that this product is wow. I love it. I love how it makes me feel, how I look. My personality is more like duh, yeah, this is me. That was me then, but now this is me. Thank you for all those ideas put together to get this out for people like me that are lovers of their skin. I love my skin. I will not risk my skin for anything, but I would do anything for my skin to glow like this. So yes, it pays. Just 5 months and I'm already satisfied. I am doing maintenance now. Yes, I feel good. I feel wow. And I'm so appreciating this product.